Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful morning today. I just love the morning market vibes. We're here in Ayer Itam and we're about to have this Ayer Itam Sister Curry Mee. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Come, I beat you.
This stall has been around for a really long time, since 1946, and it was founded by these two iconic sisters in Ayer Itam. They're now in their late 80s and you can see them right at the storefront. Today is being run by their grandniece, and that's the good news. The tradition is going to be continued, so you guys can still enjoy the Sisters Curry Mee right now. One thing that's very interesting about this place is that they're still keeping the traditions alive by using charcoal fire to keep the curry warm. Alright, let's get into the curry mee. Look at it. You can see all that cuttlefish right on top of everything. The color looks a little bit mild, a bit lighter color. You do see quite a lot of the tofu pork, the cuttlefish, the red color sambal right on top, and some tauge, the bean sprouts as well. The noodles is mixed the bihun and also the yellow noodles. I think that's like the usual order for curry mee in Penang. Before I try the curry mee, I'm going to try out the base of the broth before mixing with the sambal. Right, here goes. Although it's lighter in terms of the coconut milk, but it's very flavorful. It has a lot of that cuttlefish seafood flavor. There's some shrimp flavor in there as well. It's nice and savory, not really sweet, more like a natural sweetness from the seafood itself, but it is flavorful, but more towards a lighter consistency of the soup, so it's not a very heavy soup. Alright, I'm just going to sample a little bit of the sambal first before I mix it all up. Just kind of know what goes into that sambal. Alright. Oh, so spicy. Oh, it's really spicy. The sambal is basically pounded chili, dried chili if I'm not mistaken, and there's a little bit of that shrimp flavor in there. It's not salty or sweet, it's more of a natural chili flavor. I'm gonna mix it up right now. Alright, gonna have the noodles right now. Well, that noodles really have soaked up a lot of that broth in there. It has a lot of the cuttlefish flavor and the curry flavor as well. And I just love the different textures that you get from both different noodles. And the noodles are still springy and it's nice and chewy. Alright, I'm going to try out the cuttlefish right now. This is more like the fermented cuttlefish. It has a little bit of that brown color to it, and it's very thinly sliced. It's a bit chewy and a bit bouncy, but it's, how to say, a bit tender. It's soft as well, it's easy to chew. Alright, I'm gonna have like a spoonful of everything.
Alright, both of us got the same soup noodle because they've run out of the dry one. So let me try the broth first. It looks really light. I'm not even sure if there's coconut milk in there. Let's try this. Wow, it's like you get a punch of seafood flavors in that broth. It's really flavorful. It's light but flavorful. So the best way to eat a white curry mee is definitely mixing up the sambal and the soup together. Look how red it is. Right, let's try this noodles. Oh, the sambal is spicy. Okay, I can feel the burn in my lips. It's almost like having a chili prawn-based soup. It's actually really good. Just like how the noodles carries up so much of the broth. Man, it's flavorful. Right, that's the tofu pork there. And the cuttlefish. I like how the cuttlefish is sliced thinly, because most cuttlefish I eat is usually rubbery, but this is somehow soft and actually tender. Like how? I can almost feel each strand of the cuttlefish on it. This is definitely a lighter version of curry mee from the usual one that we eat. I think it's a really great breakfast dish because sometimes I don't want too much coconut milk in my curry. It's almost like a spicy prawn noodles. It's not too heavy, it's light, it's great for breakfast. So one thing I like about this curry mee is that it's very simple. I think these days curry mee is very competitive. They try to add a lot of other ingredients, try to make it as flavorful and as interesting as possible, but I just love how simple this is. The curry mee also comes with pork leg, but we opt out that option. Even though it's really simple, but it's really packed with flavors.
Yeah. So if you guys are in Ayer Itam, you can come and visit this place and try out the original Sister's Curry Mee. So we'll be sharing more information about this place in the description below, so you guys can go check it out. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to us if you like to follow us on our travel and food videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!